Hello all, in this video I'm going to solve question 37 from CBSE grade 10 standard math 2026 board paper. The question paper code is 30/3/2. The question goes like this. A model of leafy ball fountain is made to be kept on the tabletop. Water gently cascades down the ball into a decorative cylindrical pool where it is recycled. The diameter of the spherical ball is 21 centimeter. Cylindrical pool. Outer diameter is 50 centimeter. Inner diameter is 40 centimeter. Height of the solid base is 14 centimeter. And height of the water filled is 7 centimeter. Observe the figure and answer the following questions. Question 1. Determine the total height of the fountain. The vertical distance from the top of the spherical ball to the base of the cylindrical pool is the total height of the fountain. Total height of the fountain is the sum of the diameter of the sphere and the height of the solid base. The diameter of the sphere is 21 centimeter plus the height of the solid base is 14, which is equal to 35 centimeter. Question 2. Find the volume of the ball. Volume of the ball is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube, which is 4 by 3 times pi can be taken as 22 upon 7, and r for the sphere is 21 by 2. On calculating, we get 4851 centimeter cube. Question 3, part A. If one third of the ball is submerged in water, find the volume of water filled in the pool. This is the cylindrical part which contains water. So, if we get the volume of this cylindrical part and the ball is occupying one third of its volume in this cylindrical part. So, if we subtract these two, we'll get the volume of water that is in the pool. So, first let's get the volume of the cylindrical part containing water. The R refers to the inner radius. The inner diameter is 40 centimeter, so the inner radius is 20. And the height of that cylindrical part which contains water is 7, which gives us 8800 centimeter cube. One third of the volume of ball is 1 by 3 times 4851 centimeter cube, which is 1617 centimeter cube. The volume of water in the pool is volume of cylindrical part containing water minus one third of volume of the ball, which is 8800 minus 1617, which is equal to 7183 centimeter cube. B part of the third question. Find the sum of the outer curved surface area of the cylindrical part and the surface area of the ball. Outer CSA of cylinder plus surface area of the ball is equal to 2 pi r h plus surface area of the spherical ball is 4 pi capital R square. Pi is common. Taking that out, we are left with r h plus 2 capital R square inside the bracket. 2 times 22 by 7. R is 25, and the height of the cylindrical part is a sum of 7 and 14. So 21 plus 2 times radius of the spherical ball is 21 upon 2, which gives us 4686 centimeter square. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos.